The first step when making super moist chicken seitan is to get your ingredients together. First of all, you're going to need soybean paste. This is called okara. It's made from milled cooked soybeans, and it is a byproduct of making soy milk. Start with a half cup of okara, and then add a tablespoon of chickpea flour and a tablespoon of rice flour. The chickpea flour and the rice flour add texture and taste to the seitan. Just chop the batter roughly, and then add a half cup of vital wheat gluten flour. Mix to combine, but be careful not to overmix the mixture because it will become tough. When you see that the dough is starting to come together into coarse crumbs, add the seasonings. This is nutritional yeast, salt, turmeric, black pepper, dried mango powder, and asafoetida. Incorporate them into the mixture with a spoon before mixing with your hands. When the mixture has reached this consistency of crumbs, begin mixing with your hands. Be very delicate. You just want the mixture to come together. You don't want to knead the flour, because that will cause a tougher seitan, and we want to create a super moist seitan. Mix until evenly incorporated. This is what the seitan should look like when the dough is ready. You can see that it still has some chunks, but that they stick together easily, and that there's some elasticity to the dough. This is perfect. Go ahead and form it into the shapes that you want. We'll be making small balls as well as chicken breast shapes. Here are the chicken breast shapes, wrapped in saran wrap and placed into a bamboo steamer. Here are the chicken ball shapes, laid on a layer of saran wrap and then covered with some more saran wrap, also in a bamboo steamer. Place this over boiling water. Cover and steam for about 50 minutes. You want to start it on boiling water, but then you can drop the heat down to low so that it's just simmering. What you are looking for are clouds of steam rather than truly boiling water. Leave this for about 50 minutes, and when you come back, the seitan will be ready to cook. The seitan chicken balls have been steamed, and now they're ready to make into popcorn chicken. Take one of the seitan chicken balls and place it into the vegan egg wash. I make my vegan egg wash by mixing powdered egg replacer with soy milk instead of water, but otherwise according to the package directions, and then I add a small amount of oil. As you can see, following my instructions will cause the egg wash to stick to the chicken ball without flouring it first. Then you can place it into the seasoned flour. I season my flour with just a little seasoned salt, garlic, black pepper, that sort of thing. You can season it however you like. Once the chicken ball is well coated in flour, place it into hot oil. Repeat the process with all of the chicken seitan balls. until they've been fried up to a golden brown. Stir the chicken balls around in the oil so that they don't stick and so that they become evenly browned. When you see that one of the popcorn chicken is done, just take it out with a spoon very carefully and place it onto a towel. They take a little while to fry, but not too long, so you'll want to keep an eye on them. My popcorn chicken seitan is delicious. Making the seitan yourself at home ensures that it will be healthy and full of moisture. You can season the seitan and the flour as you please, ensuring that the taste is exactly what you like. I like to serve my popcorn chicken with lime wedges, slices of carrot, some fresh chiles, and some curry-flavored ketchup. Delicious! I hope you serve them however you love them, and I hope you enjoy. Have a good summer!